If there is one thing that I remember about my childhood, it would be that whenever I needed my dad, he was always there. And he's still there. It's kind of funny how out of all the things that he's done for me, that's what I remember. That's the same feeling I want them to have about me. My first son, my adventurous, wild son, my happy, smiling boy, and my baby girl. And oh yeah, my amazing wife.
Whew.
You good?
I'm hot. Did a run all the way.
It's not the first time we ran through the airport.
She's the one responsible for these crazy journeys we go on. Mostly to reveal to me that traveling with kids is fun. But it's not always. But life isn't always anything. It's not always happy. It's not always sad. And sometimes we have to deal with the things that aren't fun in order to enjoy the things that are. But living life is always worth it. That the days can be long, but the years are fast. And that only makes sense in a world where things aren't always perfect, where we always hear the negative about traveling with kids. But it's important to know that life is what you make of it. And we don't travel with our kids because of all the fun.